Hi everyone, this is Wen-Chia and we're here on this kind of cloudy fall day, but I wanted to show you guys how to make an easy little succulent planting that we can give away as, oh, there's a plane going overhead, but that's, oh, you can't hear it? Okay, good. Yeah, so something like this. This is something I made with the succulents growing in my garden. And this beautiful pot that it's in is a handmade pot by a friend of mine. And so we're just going to go around and look for some clippings, succulent clippings, and I'll show you how easy it is to make something cute and beautiful like this. You can keep for yourself or give away. Yeah, it's like a nice little housewarming present. Brings so much joy to everyone. Oh, by the way, here's a half of a coconut I have left over from a coconut. So I'm going to use this later as a planting container. And just pan over here real quick. But here's some beautiful succulents here that have been growing here for a couple of years in this beautiful pot. And then like this it'd be a perfect thing to use. So just break it off. Or I have my trusty clippers. So here we go. Let's go this way. And maybe we'll just walk around the block and see some things we can use. Here's my front garden from last time, and here's some cute little succulents here. I can clip a couple here. I think these are good. These are pretty. I don't know what kind of succulents they are. I don't know. They're just random succulents that I got from other people, and then I stick them around. The thing about succulents is wherever you are, they just grow. You stick them in the ground and they grow. They're like sort of a cacti. Here's some more of this similar one. Oof, I'm kind of hot. But yeah, so this, oops, look, here's a broken branch. It's perfect. We'll plant that. Yeah, so here's some more succulents in my front yard. I'll take some of these. I think these will be good to add a little color. Maybe this one. A little color. I'm going to take some of these little bumpy things here. These ones, they're kind of cute. So you can kind of just go around the garden or walk through your neighborhood, and sometimes there's a bunch of succulents just growing in the street, and then you can just take some. Oh, I like these. Come over here to my yard, my messy yard here. These are interesting. These little spiny things, they're kind of fun. Take a couple of those, and then maybe we'll get some of these little cacti things. These things are kind of fun too. Just take a couple of clippings of those. They're fun to add. And then, you know, if whatever you don't use, you can always just stick back in the ground and it'll regrow. Here's our little basket. We're collecting some good stuff. Let's see. Anything good over here? Here's another example of one I did over the summer. It needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but yeah, it's cute. I just have it out here as a little centerpiece in the front yard. Okay, let's go around the house. So, let's see, let's go this way. I think I have some more succulents here we can get. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna get some of these fire sticks here. These succulents are good. And it's kind of in my mailbox's way, so I'll just, perfect, I'll trim some of these off. And they'll add a pop of color to my succulent arrangement. There we go. Got some of that. Look at that pretty pink orangey color. Okay. And then here's my front yard. So you can see there's some random succulents growing here. It's a little bit messy because all the leaves have fallen, but we're not going to do this, by the way, is a aloe, which is kind of like a succulent. It's good for your skin, but it, for me, is a little too pokey to have on a little planter that you want to give as a gift. You don't want somebody poking their finger. So we won't get any of the aloes. Okay, this is my side yard. By the way, here's my wonderful Hawaiian tea leaf tree. I love this tree. You can use the leaves for braiding, making bracelets, and then for my daughter who dances Hawaiian hula, she uses this for her skirt. And so I grow it here It brings good luck to a home, and it's so beautiful. Okay, oops, got a little dead branch stuck on me. There we go. Okay, here's some more succulents I would use, but I'm not going to use these because they're a little dried up from the summer heat. So let's go find some more revived succulents. And the easy way to revive your succulents, by the way, is just to water them. But you know, Southern California is in a drought, so I don't water my plants that are along the side of the road. I just let nature, hopefully maybe it'll rain today or tomorrow, and then nature will do the watering, but I try not to you know, waste water. And the great thing about succulents is they kind of retain their water, they hold their moisture. They get dried up like this, but they don't die, and once it rains, they kind of suck up the water and they come back to life. So here we go. Okay, here's some succulents I would like to get. Look at all these beautiful succulents. I think I'm going to take a couple of these. These are jades. They're really pretty. Have a nice color, like that. And maybe I'll take a couple of these guys back here. These little, look how pretty they are. These will work great. And then since I'm not doing very big pots, I'm going to take some small ones. And it's nice to cut it with like a little bit of stem, so it's easier to like stick in. So you want like a little bit of stem there, so you can stick it into the soil. Okay, let's go this way. Okay, we're passing my garage, and this is where I trimmed my wonderful passion fruit vine the other day. See, now it's like so much neater. Okay, coming back into the house. Okay, ooh, I found a good one. Here's another good one I can use. This one's nice and juicy looking. That's a pretty one. Can use in the planting. And let's see. Oh, you want to just come over here real quick? Because I have some things I want to use. Here's an old bowl that I got chipped a little tiny bit, so we don't use it anymore. I'm going to use that as a planter. And then here's an old Starbucks mug with a tiny little chip in it. So I'm going to use this as a planter too. So let's grab this. And here's one I made a while ago, but that's cute. And here's just like my little collection of random succulents that I had planted. And oh, actually, while we're here, can I just show you this real quick? This cute little, I'm very proud of this collection here, this item. This is my little hanging succulent. And unfortunately, this is a little sad, but this is my, it's called Swiss cheese monstera, and it's a little bit dry, so I probably have to water it. There's some mint in there, and then I have these little things called, I think they're called pearls, or some kind of beads, but that makes really cute succulent items, and I'm actually going to cut a few because it adds like a little cute little decor to the end of the succulent. So let me take a few to use in my arrangement. And then these things just grow. I mean, look at this. Oh my gosh, I should trip down. Look how this branch, oh, look at all these down here. Look how it just grows on its own. Okay, there. Maybe I'll scoop some of these guys. That's good. That's good enough. Okay. I'll put this in my basket for me to use, and I kind of feel like I might have enough stuff. Oh, you know what? I have this, my rain barrel here. I have another cute little succulent. I think we'll get some of these. These guys. These are cute little addition. I'll take some of those. Take some of these guys. I'll propagate some of those. Yeah, this will be pretty. Okay, I think that's enough. Okie dokie. And then you can kind of just have fun with it and, like, you know, do random things. All right, we're gonna go back to my little station, and we'll set up a little working area, and we'll make a little time lapse of putting my succulents together, and you'll see it's pretty easy. Okay, we're ready. Okay, you just want to start off by putting a little soil into your container. Pretty easy. This is just some clean garden soil that I have, but you can get potting soil or any other organic soil. I know that my soil is good, and this is actually some soil that underneath my patio that doesn't have anything growing there. Well, here's a little tiny root. But yeah, you just need a little bit of soil, not too much, because succulents don't really need that much soil, just enough. And then you just start picking out things you want to put in here. So we'll just get working. Okay, ready? Let's go. Okay, I'm done. Well, for now, I have a lot of leftover, as you can see, which I can do some more work later. I have some more other containers here, but I'm done with these guys, and I'm pretty happy the way they came out. Look at this cute little coconut shell one. Yeah, just kind of did a little arrangement, and then I added a couple little things, like this little oyster shell that I found with my daughter on a beach walk. I like to, if you are out for a walk or anything like that, and you find random things, here's my little collection of stuff, like seashells, sea glass, things you find, and you can add them to your decorations. And it's pretty easy. You just put a little shell and just kind of tuck it in there. And it's like a little surprise, and it looks so cute in your arrangement. So this is the coconut shell that we had recycled. I'll put it over here. It's really pretty. It makes a nice gift in a centerpiece, or it could be on somebody's desk. It's kind of fun, and that will last, months. It'll just need a little water once in a while, but yeah, it's pretty self-sufficient. Here's my chipped Starbucks mug. Pretty cute. If you don't like the Starbucks logo, you can use it on this side. And then, yeah, we just kind of did a little fun little arrangement, a little pop of color. So keep it fun. And this is one of those yogurt cups that people probably have a collection of them. And I just kept it simple, just put the jade in here. I have a little jade with flower buds about to flower. And this one actually does not have soil. It has sand and a little bit of water, which looks pretty. And pretty easy to, and I had just tied like a piece of, what is this, some kind of rope or ribbon I found, but recycled a piece of that, and then just put water in there, and then it'll actually root and stay in here for a few months, and then you can either plant it or just keep it in here. So it's really easy, and that's simple and cute. If you have a bunch of yogurt cups, it's a fun activity to do with your kids or with friends. Collect a bunch and then make little gifts, these nice little holiday gifts. Okay, I'm very happy with this. This bowl came out really beautiful with the succulent. That's the one I collected over there. Really pretty, and then put some fire sticks with some lovely jade, and then just a nice little setup. Oops, a little water came out. Okay, whoops, sorry about that. I put a little water in there for it to absorb, but the succulents should suck up most of the water and the soil. And that's it. Oh, actually I forgot these two guys. So this was already a succulent thing, and then it was looking kind of sad, so I kind of revamped it and added some fire sticks, the little flowering one, and then my little pearls, which should grow pretty well. And then there's a little cute little flower here to go with the pearls. Anyway, just have to clean it up. So if you get a little soil, I don't know if you saw in the video, I splashed some soil on me, but just have a handy dandy rag and just, wipe it up. Keep it neat. And then here's a little cute little bunny that I replanted, and then I put a little seashell in there and a piece of old tile that I had found at the beach. But it's cute. Some little succulents and cute little bunny. Makes a nice gift. Yeah. And actually, it's the year of the rabbit. Oh no, it was the year of the rabbit. It's the year of the dragon now, but this cute little rabbit would still keep going. Okay. thank you guys for watching. Hope you have fun and make your own little creations.